Hello viewers, so today we are going to resolve this MySQL shutdown unexpected error in XAMPP, which mostly occur when you try to start your MySQL. So the step-by-step solution is this. First you have to open your task manager. In task manager you have to go to the detail section, and then you have to scroll it down almost to the middle of this page, and you will see the MySQL here. You will find the two option of MySQL. So the second one of MySQL, you have to right click on this, which is have the port number 5820. You have to right click on this and then in the task. So this will vacate the given port number, and as soon you do this you just have to come back and start the MySQL, and it has been started, you can see here. So this is the perfect solution. You can try it. Thank you so much.